The TLS weight loss solution is pretty straightforward when it comes to accelerating your success. 1. Eat specific foods. TLS weight loss solution follows low glycemic impact eating, so that means plenty of lean protein, lots of fresh vegetables and fruit, but that's not all. A number of foods and spices can not only add flavor to your meals, but also choosing the right ones can give you an advantage through the thermal effect of the food. Some good choices are like hot peppers, ginger, garlic, mustard, and cinnamon. 2. Make sure you eat enough. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to lose weight is not eating enough. They get stuck into that diet mentality of restricting calories. That is not what we do with TLS. Make sure you follow the TLS menu plan guidelines. If you don't consume the proper amount of nutrients, you will send your body into what is known as the survival mode. This happens when your body does not have enough calories, so it conserves energy to prepare for possible starvation. 3. Drink plenty of water. At breakfast, go ahead and have a glass of orange juice or a cup of coffee. But throughout the rest of the day, focus on water instead. The average American consumes an extra 245 calories a day from soft drinks. That's nearly 90,000 calories a year, or 25 pounds. And research shows that despite the calories, sugary drinks don't trigger a sense of fullness the way food does. 4. Increase the intensity of your exercise. When it comes to accelerating your fat loss with exercise, nothing is more important than intensity. Since the human body strives to maintain stability, it's essential to push your muscles beyond what they're used to doing. Moving your workouts to a high-intensity level will go a long way to increase your weight loss. High-intensity training will increase your weight loss by 1. Your body will experience increased metabolic rate for up to 24 hours after your workout. And 2. A high-intensity workout increases the levels of epinephrine and noradrenaline hormones. These two hormones target specific receptors that are on the fat cells, increasing fat loss. 5. Take your accelerators. There's another part of weight loss that is sometimes ignored, which is supplementation. TLS has 4 accelerators, each designed to target a specific area of weight loss. We have the TLS Core. This has 4 powerful main ingredients: white kidney bean extract, leptocore, green tea phytosome, which is caffeine-free, and chromium. White kidney bean extract helps inhibit the body's absorption of starches from your diet. In the weight loss game, starches can really pack on the pounds, even quality carbs like whole grains, if you're what we call carb sensitive, and many people are if you yo-yo dieted. Carb sensitive means your body is not burning fat effectively, and those moderate, low glycemic, and complex carbohydrates can get stored as fat and even make you retain water, thus slowing down your weight loss results. Many people walk around completely unaware that they're metabolically challenged from their carbohydrates. Starches are complex carbohydrates and cannot be absorbed unless they are first broken down by the digestive enzyme amylase. White kidney bean extract helps the body to inhibit the enzyme breakdown of starch into glucose within the small intestines. As a result, the absorption of glucose is inhibited. The white kidney bean extract will not prevent all starch you consume from being absorbed, but it will help slow down the absorption of carbohydrates into the body. Next is leptocore, which supports leptin sensitivity, which may help you manage hunger and stimulate lipolysis. 2 hormones, leptin and ghrelin, go hand in hand. It's a balance between hunger and satisfaction. Leptin is a protein hormone made by the fat cells that is controlled by an influential gene called the OB gene. Leptin works with other hormones, including thyroid, cortisol, and insulin, to help the body figure out how hungry it is and how fast it will burn off food that you eat. You have receptors for leptin throughout the body, but your brain is where this hormone is most active. When you've eaten a meal, the fat cells throughout your body release this hormone. Leptin travels to the hypothalamus, the part of the brain that helps you regulate appetite, and bonds with leptin receptors there. The receptors control the production of neuropeptides, small signaling proteins that switch our appetites on and off. One of the most well-known of these is neuropeptide Y, the peptide that turns on your appetite and turns down the metabolic rate. Leptin switches off neuropeptide Y, switches on appetite-suppressing signals, and the body gets the message to stop being hungry and start burning more calories. You have green tea phytosome and chromium that make up the final components of this formula, working together to help promote fullness and maintain blood sugar. Our second supplement is TLS Axe. adrenal, cortisol, thyroid, and stress support formula. ACTS is important because no matter how well we eat, how often we exercise, or how hard we try to avoid certain situations, we can't escape stress. Stress affects us all. Feeding your mind and boosting your energy level can do wonders in your quest to look good, feel good, and enjoy life. ACTS helps the body adapt to stress, promoting healthy levels of cortisol, and helps to enhance and stabilize mood, and may also help maintain normal thyroid function. It is specifically formulated with holy basil and ashwagandha. It helps the body adapt to stress naturally and effectively. ACTS also contains rhodiola or roseroot. Roseroot is a stimulant which also has adaptogenic and anti-stress components. Ashwagandha is an Indian herb known as winter cherry and is also found in ACTS. Your research shows that ashwagandha might help promote normal levels of dopamine in the brain. ACTS also contains eleuthero, also known as Siberian ginseng, passion flower, and bacopa, which acts as anti-stressors and helps support mental clarity. ACTS works to promote relaxation without drowsiness, helps maintain healthy levels of both serotonin and dopamine, helps enhance and stabilize mood, and increases mental clarity. Then we have TLS, conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA for short. The fatty acid compound was first identified in 1978 by Dr. Michael Peraza. Dr. Peraza was studying beef extract at the University of Wisconsin-Madison as a part of his research. What Dr. Peraza found was that CLA helps reduce body fat and maintain lean muscle tissue. CLA works to help redistribute fat to fat-burning muscle tissue by transporting the fatty acid from fat cells into the blood, where they're transported to the muscle tissue. Once the fatty acids are absorbed by the muscle tissue, they can be burned for energy. This helps decrease the amount of fat stored on your body. CLA also has been shown to assist promoting lean muscle mass. We use Tonalin CLA, which is comprised of 2 special omega-6 fatty acids from 100% pure safflower oil. A recent long-term study reported in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition specifically examined Tonalin CLA and found that those participants who took 3.4 grams of CLA daily for 1 year experienced a decrease in body fat mass. Tonalin CLA works in several ways. First, it may help maintain lean muscle. Secondly, Tonalin CLA helps decrease the amount of fat stored on your body. The result is, as you lose weight and you drop a clothing size or 2, you don't have to worry about the yo-yo effect of losing and then regaining the weight. Why? Because you are reducing body fat, not water or muscle, which is a more permanent and healthy way to lose weight. CLA offers numerous weight loss benefits, including a reduction in overall body fat, a decrease in the amount of fat stored on your body, promotion of lean muscle mass, the promotion of body fat loss while preserving muscle tissue, the targeting of stubborn belly fat, and the utilization of body fat as fuel. Our fourth is TLS, Thermochrome with Advantra Z and South African Hoodia gordoni. TLS Thermochrome with Advantra Z and South African Hoodia gordoni has only the highest quality ingredients, including the only patent citrus aurantium extract, which is Advantra Z, for weight loss and fatigue reduction on the market today. Thermochrome is designed to increase energy. It helps alleviate occasional fatigue, promotes thermogenesis, meaning increases your metabolism, and lipolysis, meaning breakdown of fat, also promoting weight loss, helps maintain normal blood sugar levels, and contains key ingredients that support normal metabolic functions. Thermochrome with Advantra Z and South African Hoodia gordoni contains green tea extract, citrus aurantium extract, vitamin C, vitamin B6, pantothenic acid, magnesium, chromium, guarana seed, yerba mate, and other ingredients designed to work synergistically to provide the greatest results. The TLS weight loss solution is beauty in simplicity. Eat enough of the right kinds of foods, get enough of the right kind of exercise, and use enough of the right kind of supplements, accelerators. These 3 components are spokes of the wheel that will carry you to successful weight loss and lifelong health.